Hello again, welcome back to another toy video. And this is a Lesney Pickford's removal van in green. No idea what make of truck that is. I've looked underneath and there's no information. All the wheels and everything's there. That's that one. I don't really much more to see on that one. And this one here, what have I wrote down here? Again, I've had to borrow Michelle's glasses. We've got a lesney. Hang on, what have I wrote here? It's another lesney one. It's matchbox series number 44. And it's a GMC refrigerator truck. Again, played with condition. All the wheels are there, still in reasonable condition given its age. This one's got all the glass still intact in the cab as well, so hope that's focusing in alright. So yeah, commercial vehicles, this one. Got lots more to go on. So there you go. Hope you like this one. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Like the video if you liked it. Click the bell icon and all that sort of stuff. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.